English Story by Joe. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Story name Union Day. As it was a school holiday, Zhuol Nai and Mei Lin Fu, who were brother and sister, went over to their grandfather's house, walking. On the way, they met with their friend Saw Po Kwa. "Where are you going, Zhuol Nai?" "On our way back from walking, we're going to our grandpa's house. Will you come with us? When we pay a visit to our grandpa, he usually feeds us a lot of snacks." "I'll come with you then." On arrival at the grandpa's house. "Oh, my grandchildren have come. Come on in. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Union Day, isn't it?" "Yes, it is, Grandpa." "Will you tell us about Union Day, please, Grandpa?" "Yes, I'll tell you about it as much as I know, all right." Union Day is annually celebrated on the 12th of February. Our country Myanmar came under the British subjugation in 1885 after King Thibaw had been coerced to India. Then the British separated Myanmar into the mainland and hilly regions with the purpose of making their rule firm. When Myanmar was about to regain its independence, the British colonialists tried to leave out the hilly regions, not to grant them independence. It means giving us bogus independence. Therefore, at the conference of Anti-Fascist People's Freedom League held on the middle platform of Shwedagon Pagoda, General Aung San emphasized nationalistic spirit, that a race should live through thick and thin and in weal and woe, enjoying happiness and also suffering hardship together, grandchildren. As a matter of fact, General's action was in harmony with his word. And he also foiled the colonialists' plan to cause dissension among our national races. Yes. While General Aung San was having discussions for independence of Myanmar in Britain, the British colonialists plotted to cause dissension among the national races in the hilly regions. Some colonialists' lackeys sent a telegram to Attlee that General Aung San was not the representative of Sobwars in Shan region, and if he wanted to have talks with them, they should be invited separately. All right, how about it? As General Aung San knew all about it, he did not answer exclusively. Then the leaders of AFPFL who remained in Myanmar held a mass rally in Taunggyi. A telegram was sent to Attlee informing him of the decision made at the mass rally. It was mentioned in the telegram that the hilly regions wanted to gain independence together with the plains, and they were also seriously in support of General Aung San's desire. Attlee was in a daze on account of the telegram. That incident obviously spotlighted the colonialists' plan to divide us. However, General Aung San's relentless efforts to gain independence and his diligence and courage were able to get rid of their plan. Then the Pin Loan Agreement could be signed by General Aung San and representatives of several of the longest minority groups in Pin Loan, Shan State on the 12th of February 1947. Thus it led to the attainment of independence across the country without any discrimination between hilly regions and the mainland. So the Union Day was designated as a red-letter day and a public holiday. Thanks for telling us about the Union Day like this, Grandpa. Well, my grandchildren will be feeling hungry now. Let's have oiled glutinous rice made by your grandma in the morning and fried chicken. Wow! That's our grandpa and grandma. This is the end of the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.